What's the meaning of clothing? Clothing. Clothing.
Clothing. Clothing. Clothing refers to any articles of material that are worn on the body to cover, protect, or adorn it. This can include a wide range of items such as shirts, pants, dresses, jackets, hats, and shoes, among others. The function of clothing is not only practical in that it protects us from the elements, but it also serves an important social and cultural purpose by communicating our identity, status, and personal expression through fashion choices. Overall, clothing plays a crucial role in our daily lives and reflects the complex intersection between style, culture, and personal expression.